We've all been there. You're staring at that one stubborn tree in your yard, wondering, are you just taking a really long nap, or are you actually dead?
Don't reach for the shovel just yet. Today, I'm going to show you the easiest 2-second trick to find out if your tree is still kicking. No botany degree required. When a tree loses its leaves or looks a little crispy, it's easy to panic. But the secret to knowing if your tree is alive is hidden right under its skin.
It's called the scratch test. All you need is your thumbnail. Gently scratch away a tiny piece of the top layer of bark. See that bright, moist green layer? That is the tree's heartbeat. If it's green and fleshy, congratulations, your tree is very much alive. But if you scratch it and it's hard, dry, and completely brown underneath, that specific branch is dead.
If you don't want to scratch the bark, then you can try the snap test. Do the scratch or snap test in 3 different places, near the bottom, the middle, and the top. So before you give up on that dramatic Japanese maple or that sad-looking cherry tree, give it a test. It might just be waiting for the right time to bounce back.
If this quick tip saved your tree, or at least saved you from digging it up for no reason,
Please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy gardening hacks. See you next time, and happy growing!